So this is how the scooter looks like. Nothing special. Personally, I like Lime scooters because they have a lot of space, unlike some other scooters. So basically here you have handbrake. Also here you can unlock your scooter, and here you can push press to go. So to use Lime scooters you obviously need to install Lime app. So here it is. It's a standard app. It looks very similar to Voi or Tire or Uber. You just have location and you have observation of Lime scooters and their battery charge. You can also add your payment here on the top right corner to start riding. And then you can access your settings, and here you can see how many miles, rides and calories you had burned. That's basically it. You can refresh this page. You can report an issue if, for example, scooter is damaged. Yes, and you can zoom in. So basically to start riding you just need to scan a ride. You can see a speed here in the front, so it's pretty handy. And also there is a brake on the back part of the scooter. In the front there is a lighter if you're riding during the night. So concerning the pricing, it's different in different locations. Basically, Lime charges fixed fee to unlock the scooter, and then it charges per minute. But it can be different in London or US or Copenhagen or some other cities, so you need to check. So the pricing for Lime scooters is in Denmark 10 kronas to unlock and 2 kronas per minute. So it's around $1.30 to unlock it and 30 cents per every minute. Of course it can vary in different locations. Overall the scooter feels pretty stable, good quality. So here you can see the battery level, just here, and if the battery level is really low, so it will automatically shut off. So you just need to park it correctly. So to park the scooter, you just leave it in the spot, not in the red spot. And click lock. You can either pause or end your ride. So just end your ride, and basically that's it. And then you can take a photo. You can leave some comments. You will see this notification. So this is my check. So 72 Danish krona is around 10 euro, I would guess. So it's not that cheap. The good thing about Lime scooters is there are a lot of them in many cities both across Europe and US. While, for example, if you're talking about Voi or Tire, maybe Voi will be more in Scandinavia, like Sweden, Denmark, and Tire will be mostly in Germany. While Lime is similar to Uber, it's like everywhere. So if you just have like a Lime app, it's super handy and it's really easy in every city. Some people like Tire, some people like Voi, some Jump, some Lime. It's up to you to decide. I personally have all these apps installed and then I just choose which scooter is available. but frankly it's not that convenient. It would be great to have just one app where you can see everything in one place.